guys, it's Amelia Frank. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will make my own version of banana bread and I will make 2 loaves of it. Before I start, I will put the oven in 350. And here are all the ingredients. Bananas, eggs, brown sugar, extra virgin oil, salt, baking soda, vanilla, walnuts, flour, and my secret ingredients, GreensPowder. So I peel off the banana and I slice it up. Still have another 3 here. Put the brown sugar, the 3 eggs, I'll put the oil now, extra virgin oil. So after I put the 7 ripe bananas that I slice, I put 2/3 cups of extra virgin oil and then 2 cups of brown sugar and 3 eggs beaten. Stir it or fold it. And now I will put the vanilla extract. I'll put 1 tablespoon, not full. 2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 pinches of salt, and I will put 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Moving it with my tongue. And 1/2 of my greens powder. One half. And the last one I'm gonna put is the walnuts. Walnuts, 1 cup. Okay, set it aside. Now I will grease the pan. I put extra virgin oil too. I want to put generous amount of the oil. That way, when it's cooked, it's easy to come out. Oops. It's splashing on my face. Okay. And now I will divide this half. Heavy. It's hard to be short. Okay, one more. It's a little greeny. Okay, it's ready now to put in the oven. So I'll put it in the oven now. Another one. And I will wait for an hour. Let's check the banana bread. Oh, it looks all done now. Yeah. One more. Turn it off. Clear. Clear. Yes, that's it. And this other one, and I will let it cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes before I take it out from the pan. Okay guys, let's see and take the banana bread out from the lock pan and see how it is. Now I cut it and will have some for me with my green tea. And this is my banana bread with GreensPowder. And this is the secret of my recipe, the GreensPowder. So I hope you like my video today and thank you for watching. Please like, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.